Cummins ISX12 AFA overhaul kit unboxing. We're really excited about the Cummins ISX12. We've been doing a lot of them lately. I'm going to show you what we got here for the ISX12. This bad boy right here is a hot seller for your ISX12 guys out there. Here we go. Break-in procedure, English and in Spanish. Make sure you're breaking those engines in properly. That's why we put them in there. QC form. QC assurance card signed by the employee, that AFA, that QC'd it and built the kit. We got over here a head gasket set with injector O-rings. Let me show it to you real quick. As you know, AFA is a gasket manufacturer since day one, since 1985. Right here, we started in Fraser, Michigan. Now we're in Romeo, Michigan, suburbs of Detroit. So we've been manufacturing in the US since 1985, folks. I don't want to hear none of that China stuff, all right? Although we do have factories globally. China is one of them. Anyhow, here is our head gasket set for the ISX12. Look at this bad boy, beautiful head gasket. Stainless steel fire rings. You got your FKM rubber, you got your thermostat seals, you got everything to seal that engine from the head up right in this gasket set. Awesome gasket set. We can do an unboxing of the gasket set again later, show you all the additional items in there. Here we go, oil pan gasket, manufactured by us. Look at this oil pan gasket. Rubber molded technology like no other. It's very rigid, made out of the best quality rubber materials to seal that oil pan. We got the famous AFA inserts to hold bearings. Right here you got your connecting rod bearings, tri-metal bearings. Tri-metal bearings are the best bearings in the industry, not only because they're tri-metal, but because they're AFA tri-metal bearings, right? So the material matters. The load capacity is huge on tri-metal bearings, and materials is where it's at in bearings. All our bearings are made from scratch, from the powdered material to the forming of the bearing. So it's not like they buy strips at the factory that we have make our bearings. They make them from scratch. So it's the best quality bearings, the most control, and these are our bearings. Check them out. Special coatings, and they last long like they're supposed to. Don't got to do much to them. So there's our bearings. Let's go here. What we got in here? We got thermostat. We got a thermostat. Pretty complete kit when you get a thermostat in it, right? Here you go. Look how well packaged everything is from AFA. Rust preventative packaging. All right, what do we got here? Piston cooling nozzles. All 6 in one beautiful box. All 6 piston cooling nozzles are right here. Check them out. Piston cooling nozzles made to meet or exceed OE spec. Make sure that piston is cooled properly in the right exact area that you need it to cool. So it's directional. It's everything we check. The bolt hole size has got to be right. It's all got to fit. And then you got your suction tube O-rings, inlet and outlet. What else we got, man? What do we got here? Oh, oil relief valve. Look at that. I mean, everything you need, folks. We got you covered. We know what you need. We got some turbo studs. Bam, 4 of them. Main bearing set. I'm gonna have to open this bad boy up. Oh no, gotta rip the label off. Gonna have my guys are gonna get pissed off. Gonna have to relabel. Here we go, bam. Again, tri-metal bearings. Comes with your thrust washers. Look at these bearings. The highest quality materials, AFA bearings. We don't mess around. When we spec out our bearings, every part at AFA goes through a rigorous engineering process. We got prints for every single part. We got an engineering department that makes sure that our standards are met with whoever's making our products. And all of our products are made by OEM qualified suppliers. Here we go. Cylinder kit. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. This is where it's at, folks. Cylinder kit. You got to have the highest quality cylinder kit components, or else product won't last. You won't get the longevity you want out of your engine. Look at this mono steel piston. Look at that, bam. AFA. Manganese phosphate coating, graphite skirts. Doesn't get stronger than this piston right here. And it's intercooled right through the combustion chamber for the ring lands. See, that's friction welded, folks. Friction welded pistons offer you a much more rigid piston, stronger piston. They can handle higher loads, and they cool the ring lands a lot more efficiently than any other piston out there. Then you got your gray cast iron AFA liner, best liners in the business. I hate to say that stuff, but I mean it when I say it. I don't try to be cocky, I don't try to sound arrogant, but I just know what I got here at AFA. So you got our hatch honings, which all the hatch honings are always spec'd out, they're always tested metallurgically and with the computer technology to make sure that the peaks and valleys are meeting the requirements for the application. It's our liner, side box with liner O-ring, your retainers for your pin, piston pins here on the side, intact. I don't want to rip that. You can see it's in there. It's a piston pin, it's nothing extravagant. And then the ring set. Here's your ring set. You got 6 cylinder kits, so 6 of these that I'm showing you right here. Ring sets are packaged nicely, rust proof, and you got all your rings in there. High quality rings, spec'd out, AFA specs, high standards, highest quality materials. You can't expect anything less from us. Thank you for your time.